Hi everyone, today this is a cute little unboxing for bow making supplies from Eva's Bow and Craft Supplies. The link will be in the description box below, and you'll see here my obsession with the gonks and gnomes, because I may have brought all the different styles of new ones just because they're so cute. By the way, I have unwrapped like these where they came with lots and lots of popper thing to stop them from getting damaged. But look at all these cute ones. Look at them all. And I got them when she was doing a deal, so I got like 20% or 30% off. So it made them like all really reasonable priced. Whether or not I make a Valentine's bow this year, that'll be a whole different matter, but I like the saving things for next year, so you have something completely different. But there's those ones. And my favourite one of all of those is not the actual like pink ones. It's this really cute like teal one with the word love. And then I got these cute pink fluffy hearts and this selection of bunny ear, and the other two I got is these super cute rubber duckies and the avocado. So that was like a little cute order from Eva's Bow and Craft Supplies. So thanks for watching, bye!